The rise and fall of Enron, America's biggest corporate scandal. In the late 1990s, Enron was the darling of Wall Street, a symbol of American innovation, power, and ambition. But behind the shiny skyscrapers and billion-dollar deals lay one of the most elaborate accounting frauds in corporate history. This is the story of Enron, the company that fooled the world, and the scandal that changed business forever. Enron was founded in 1985, born from a merger between Houston Natural Gas and Internorth. At first, it was just another energy company, buying and selling natural gas. But under the leadership of CEO Kenneth Lay, Enron set out to reinvent itself. When Jeffrey Skilling, a brilliant consultant from McKinsey, joined Enron, the company began transforming from a traditional energy supplier into an energy trading powerhouse. Enron pioneered a new idea: it would no longer just deliver energy, it would trade it, like stocks or commodities. They even launched Enron Online, the world's first web-based trading platform for energy. By the late 1990s, Enron's stock price was skyrocketing. Analysts called it the company of the future. To outsiders, Enron looked unstoppable. But on the inside, something was deeply wrong. Enron's culture was driven by one thing: profit, at any cost. Executives encouraged employees to think outside the box, and that often meant bending the rules. Jeffrey Skilling introduced a ruthless system called rank and yank. Every year, the lowest performing 15% of employees were fired. The result? A toxic culture where no one dared question unethical behavior, and success was measured only by short-term profits. To keep investors happy, Enron had to show constant growth. But the company's profits weren't real, they were carefully engineered illusions. The key was a deceptive accounting method called mark-to-market. Instead of recording profits when a deal actually made money, Enron would estimate future profits on the day the deal was signed, and count that as revenue immediately. So if Enron signed a 20-year contract that might earn $50 million, they booked all $50 million that same day, even if the money might never come. To hide their growing losses, Enron's chief financial officer, Andrew Fastow, created a web of off-the-books companies, called Special Purpose Entities or SPEs. These entities took Enron's debt off the books, making the company look healthier than it was. In reality, Enron was drowning in billions of dollars of hidden losses. In 2001, cracks began to show. Analysts started asking tough questions: how exactly did Enron make its money? A journalist named Bethany McLean, writing for Fortune magazine, published an article titled, "Is Enron Overpriced?" That question set off a chain reaction. Soon after, Enron's financial statements couldn't hide the truth any longer. The company admitted it had overstated earnings by nearly $600 million over 4 years. When the hidden debts were revealed, investor confidence vanished overnight. Enron's stock, once worth over $90 a share, fell to less than $1. In December 2001, Enron filed for bankruptcy, the largest in U.S. history at the time. Tens of thousands of employees lost their jobs, and their life savings. Many had invested their retirement funds in Enron stock, believing in the company's lies. Auditing giant Arthur Andersen, which had helped cover up Enron's fraud, was found guilty of obstruction of justice and later collapsed, taking thousands more jobs with it. The U.S. government responded with new laws, most notably the Sarbanes-Oxley Act of 2002, designed to hold corporate executives accountable and prevent future frauds. Enron's top executives didn't escape justice. Jeffrey Skilling was sentenced to 24 years in prison. Andrew Fastow served 6. Kenneth Lay died before sentencing. The Enron scandal wasn't just about one company's greed, it was about a system that rewarded deception and punished honesty. It serves as a timeless reminder. When profits come before principles, even the mightiest corporations can crumble overnight. If you found this story fascinating, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the scandals that shaped our world.